What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to get quick feedbacks on our WordPress articles, posts, website content, almost like a survey. As you can see, into the very bottom of every help post on visualmodel.com, we have this little survey. What are your feelings? Was helpful or not? Okay, you can say your feelings, good, none, or bad. Okay, how to apply this into your WordPress blog posts in a very simple, fast, easy and effective way is what we're gonna learn into this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. I have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations and many more topics in our tools, internet and our site's favor. So let's get this started. We're gonna be adding this survey into the very bottom of into the end of our blog posts. Okay, so into the end of this post below, besides the content and the comment section, we can say if the posts were helpful or not. Okay, how to apply this? Go to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new. Okay, once into this page, review the upper right corner of our screen. Next to keyword, you can see a field called search plugins. Click on it and just type, was this helpful? And we're gonna find this plugin right here by Wisp Themes. Okay, so click on install, click on activate button, and there's absolutely nothing else to do. As soon as you activate the plugin, you're going to be redirected to your WordPress plugins list, okay? A list where you can see all of the currently installed plugins on your site, and the plugin it's just right here, okay? There is no settings from this plugin yet, okay? It's a beginning stage, but if you go to your posts now and see the bottom of the post, you can see this content right here. Was this article helpful? And you can say yes or no. This article was helpful, so I'm gonna feedback with yes. And how to see those feedbacks? You can go to our WordPress dashboard, posts, and then you can see a new tab into the right side of my screen. Next to date, you can see helpful, and right here, how to save more energy was 100% helpful based in one feedback. And according to times, you can see more contents right here with more feedbacks in a very simple and easy method to implement this. And why this is important? It's because you can collecting better feedbacks, knowing what contents your audience likes most, where content is helpful and not helpful, to create more of what your audience like and grow the audience and engagement. Okay, and that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, or Boris WordPress plugin that is completely free and gives you widgets, elements, templates and tools to your WordPress website, or Enzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth with TWs.net platform in order to submit your site for receiving guest posts and publishing guest posts and get listed right here. And in the case that you want to go premium, move to visualmodel.com, purchase the Visual Model Pass and unlock access to our full templates library of hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to our support, premium icons, blocks, templates, assets, and many more pro features. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I see you tomorrow. All the best!